Hello friends, welcoming you all to AK Gardening Passion channel. Friends, today's video is on the shopping which I have done, so you can refer the last video for my nursery visit. So let's start the video. But before starting the actual video, if you have not subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos on the channel. And don't forget to like and share the videos. So friends, in this video you will see what all things I have shopped. So I have not done much shopping, but still I am sharing these plants with you. So this plant I have bought, it is of Mogra or also called as jasmine plant. I have bought it at rupees 40 and I am having 3 to 4 varieties of Mogra plants, but this one is different. So this was one plant, and next plant is this rose. I have bought 3 Dutch roses and 1 local or wild rose. So this is the local variety of rose or wild rose which I have bought. I have bought it at rupees 40. So next one is this pink Dutch rose. I have bought it at rupees 40 and the color is beautiful. So the next plant which I have bought is this yellow Dutch rose. So by looking at the leaves you can easily understand how the plant is healthier. So the next plant which I have bought is this yellow colored Dutch rose, but it has tint of orange at the border of the petals. I have bought these Dutch roses as the colors were not in my garden collection. So I have many Dutch roses, but these were not in that collection. So I have bought it, and I am planning to plant these Dutch roses in 10-inch pot initially, and afterwards I am planning to repot it in 12 to 14-inch containers. So I have bought these roses, and this one smells really nice. So nextly I have shopped or bought these wild or local variety of rose. I am having the local variety of rose with pink, faint pink, red colors, and also I have one which is light yellow in color, but the red one which I have, it has variegation of white and light pink colors, so I have bought it. So the next plant which I have bought, it is false aster, also called as daisy plant. So this plant spreads through its runners and have tiny petals on it, and this plant is with single layered petal. It also comes with multiple layer petals and with different color shades like white, lavender or blue color. So I have shopped this plant at rupees 40 and I am planning to plant this false aster plant in 6-inch container initially, and then I will transfer it to the flower bed. It also grows best in shallow containers or trays. So friends, next plant which I have bought, it is this variety of bamboo plant. It is shade loving plant, and I have bought this plant as it looks beautiful and has variegation of yellow and green. The leaves of this plant are attractive, and this plant looks beautiful in shade areas, but it requires bright light for its growth. So I'm planning to plant this plant in 6-inch container, and I'll place that container in the entrance area, or also you can keep it in balcony. So the next plant which I have shopped, it is this Casuarina plant. This Casuarina plant is little bit costlier plant, as I have bought this small size plant or younger plant at rupees 150, but in many of the places it is been sold at rupees 300 to rupees 600 depending upon the size of the pot and the age of the plant. So as it is in tiny pot and the plant is small, so I got it at rupees 150. So this plant is best for hanging basket, or it grows downwards, so you can trim it and maintain the plant's shape, and also you can grow it in full sun at the side of the lawns. As the plant grows and gets older, you can repot the plant's container in various sizes depending upon its growth and root bounding. Now this Casuarina plant is in small container, but I am planning to plant it in 10-inch pot later. Friends, the next plant which I have bought, it is orchid. I have already two colors of orchid, that is white colored, and next colored which I have is dark purple color. So this is the faint shade of purple color which I was not having, so I have bought this orchid. It is faint colored orchid and I have bought it at rupees 350 with pot. So friends, next plants which I have shopped are these beautiful silver pine, also called as silver cypress plants. Friends, the shades of these leaves are very beautiful, looks silverish when they are in full sun and looks dark green when they are in shade or when there is no sun. But they require full sun for growth. And just friends, see this, the roots are growing widely, indicates that this plant is fast growing plant and requires huge containers for its plantation. So minimum 12-inch pots are been indicated for this plant. Have a look on these leaves. Friends, the plants grows tall. It's my first experience with these plants. As such, I have not seen these plants nearby my local or residence place. So initially I will be planting these two plants in 10-inch pots, and afterwards I will be repotting it to 12-inch pots when the pot will get root bounded. So I have bought these two plants and I am planning to keep it in my terrace garden itself. So friends, express your love towards plants by likes, shares, comments on the videos, and don't forget to subscribe as it is free to subscribe the channel. Viewers, have a look to the sky and see the weathers, how the nature is spreading its color. Friends, nature is doing its work by arrival of monsoon in many areas. So let's we be prepared for gardening and spreading the plants in these rainy days and save and serve our mother nature. So take initiative and plant some more plants in this season. So that was all about the shopping which I have done for my garden. Friends, if you liked this video, then hit the like button and definitely share the video. Thanks for patiently watching till end. Thank you.